Okay, we're on. I just want to confirm. What is this? Hello there. Hey, Brian. Detective Slane with the Sheriff's Office. You have a moment?
Yeah.
So, is this your roommate? You guys the only one home?
Yeah.
So, I'm investigating a case.
Okay.
And you're involved in it.
Okay.
So right now, I have probable cause to arrest you. So you're under arrest. Okay?
Can I...
And if you would like to discuss this, we can discuss this.
Don't say anything. Why is he being arrested?
Do you understand?
Okay.
So do you want to give that to your roommate there? So I would like to have the opportunity to talk with you.
Okay, I'd like to understand why.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place handcuffs on you, then I'll read your rights to you.
Can
before
I put
we
shoes on?
Sure, but how about he goes in and grabs your shoes for you?
Okay.
Okay.
Can you grab the shoes, please?
I could.
Appreciate it.
Come on, let's go.
Do you have an ID card or something that you can grab for
You
you?
have a wallet.
Yeah?
Okay. You grab his ID too, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
1 second. Where's your shoes?
So well, I'll explain all this to you once we get your shoes on and stuff, okay?
Can you grab me some socks too?
Yes, of course.
Where are they at, dude? In the basket on my, shelf.
How long have you lived here?
Just don't say anything. Literally anything. Please.
He is not your attorney, or is he your attorney?
He's my roommate.
He's your roommate. So you're an adult. You can do what you want, okay? So that is completely up to you.
Where's your shoes? Underneath my backpack. And my wallet is on my wall. Just hand me the whole wallet. Okay.
Yeah, if you have cash, you can leave it here. If you feel comfortable leaving it here.
What's your roommate's name, Brian? Hey, Brian.
Yeah.
What's your roommate's name? What's your name, sir?
I'm not gonna say anything.
Okay.
You are on the record. You're being recorded.
You guys are being recorded as well, so...
Perfect. So what is he being arrested for?
Okay, go ahead, turn around.
What is he being arrested for?
Hey, sir. I can talk to you.
Okay, what is he being arrested for?
Okay. He's being arrested for rape of a child, okay?
Lock
What?
your hands.
Look, that's probably something he may want to talk about, or maybe he doesn't want me to know about it.
Do you want me to call you an attorney? Or do you have some of your... I got you, bro.
How are those? Those okay? Not too tight? Okay, let me double walk them. Go ahead, just bend over a little bit real quick. Right there.
And confirming you don't want to give your name, sir?
I don't have any reason to.
Okay, let's head down this way.
What's your name and badge number?
We're with the Sheriff's Office. Detectives with the Sheriff's Office.
Okay, what's your name, sir?
Detective Slayton.
And yours? Okay, thank you.
And yours?
I don't need to tell you.
You're correct. You can stop right there. You're not going to follow us.
Well, this is my apartment
Yeah,
unit.
that is right. Okay, but we're taking him to my car, and you're not going to follow us.
Is there any legal authority for you to say that?
There is. It's a safety issue.
Okay. I will
Okay.
continue to record you. No problem.
That's fine. We're gonna park over here. Three Adam 191 Walkham.
Unit for what?
3 Adam 191. Can you send Sam 4 to
Adam 181, you're really low volume.
I'm gonna give him a call.
Team 3.
Go ahead, call. We'll call you. Okay, go ahead, face. Just face the back of the car right here. I'm gonna spread your feet for me. Spread your feet for me.
Yeah, this right again.
Okay, so before I get going, okay, I'm going to read your rights to you so you understand them. Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have a present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand your rights?
Yes.
Okay. So, what I would like to do is talk you down at the station and get your side of the story. But you have a right, like I just explained to you, to do that if you wish. And give your side of the story. Okay?
Okay.
So we're going to wait for the area car. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit you in the back right now. Okay? Just so you're not out here in the open.
Okay.
Okay?
Including when they bring you down to the station, don't have to say anything.
Black 174.
174, work center.
You need some air?
Is able to transport.
Did you just let them know we had one in custody?
Sure, I don't see call.
So what I'll do is I'll grab the PC statement and I'll read it to you.
3
What the charges are, okay? So that way you have an understanding of what's going on.
Richie.
No, not right now. Because I'm busy. Yes, I'm busy. You heard exactly what I said. Okay. So do you have any inkling of why I'm here? Or what this could do with?
No.
Okay. So I'll read you the charges. Okay. So I've talked
121.
about what happened in, what's happened in the past. Okay?
121.
And what you and Aaron did to her. Okay? She reported that. So and that's why we're here today. Is it ringing a bell now? Okay, and so what I would like is I would like to get your side of the story and maybe clear some things up.
Okay.
But you have that right. I've read your rights. You have a right to have an attorney. You have a right not to talk to me. But it's you that has to make that decision. Nobody else. Not your roommate. Only you.
Okay.
Okay? So she reported that she was assaulted by you and Aaron. And not only
One close driving.
Henry 31.
is this something that you want to talk to us about? Because we can arrange this once we get to the station. Bring you downstairs. And we can sit down and talk to you. Or would you like to start discussing it right now?
Locking 101. Vehicle bus.
Hey, Brian. I know you're in a tough spot right now. We recognize that, okay? But the reality is, we've talked. They've provided information, they've provided evidence, recordings, paperwork. So it might be in your best interest to give your side of the story so we have a better understanding. We talked to the bishop, talked to tons of people. This has been going on since February.
Yeah. So we've worked this since February.
Location change.
But you don't have to say anything, but it might have a little better context of what happened when you were a child.
Saying at the
It
Apollo
was.
address.
It was
I'm sure it
when I
was.
was a child.
Yeah.
123.
You can hit that radio. Just turn it off.
Confirm.
And I don't doubt that something happened to you and your brother. But that's the context that we're looking for, because no one's given us any explanations for it.
Hey, Rave, it's gonna be okay.
Okay, just remember that anything you say, they will try to twist, so please stop saying anything.
Rave, it's gonna be okay.
I love you, bro.
You too, man. Hey, I'll take it from here, bud. Thank you.
I love you. Can I get a business card from you? Please.
I already gave you my name. You know who I am, okay? I don't have time to mess around with a business card. I've got other things more important to deal with,
Such as?
such as talking to him.
Okay, well,
Okay.
you keep talking to him. Can I just have your card? It would take
You
30
can leave. I
seconds.
gave you my name, and I'll give you my badge number. It's 3191, okay?
Okay.
I don't want to have this.
I would like a business card, though.
Hey, bud. It's gonna be okay. You got it on recording. It's gonna be okay.
One, 10-5, welcome, stopping later.
And your friends, right?
Yeah.
What we're saying is being recorded for your protection. We're not going to twist anything, Brian. We don't need to twist anything. We don't want to twist anything. Okay, we honestly want your story. We're going to talk to Aaron soon. Montana's already aware. He's already been arrested over there for what happened with his daughter. Okay, he's going to be arrested again on these charges. Okay, and we're going to give him the same opportunity that we're trying to give you. If you don't want to, you don't have to. We get it. It's embarrassing. But again, you are the only one that can explain the context. We can only imagine what happened to you. So we don't know. But again, it's entirely up to you. It's just hard with your friend out there.
Yeah.
We don't want you to be embarrassed.
And he's gone. And I'm sure he doesn't know what's going on.
No,
Or does he?
doesn't. No.
Okay, I'm sure not very many people outside of your family knows what happened, correct?
Right.
So I don't like to have to be short with people, but I'm trying to deal with you, not him.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
and he's
understand.
already got that information.
Yeah,
So, and I
that's-
understand he's trying to protect you, which as a friend he should.
So
Okay.
I also understand that if he keeps pressing, he'll be put in cuffs too.
There's a possibility, but we don't want to go there, and
5-2 walk up
you know it's
He's
on
not-
your behalf.
He's not going to come back over here as you like with a weapon or something, right?
No.
Okay.
11 Adam 207, transporting 2 males, 1 female from the work center to the main jail, starting mileage.
So, do you want to wait till we get back to the station to talk? We can go in an interview room, discuss it.
Just things that
Starting
I did
mileage.
as a
0
young teenager still affect me into late adulthood.
Yeah, some of it is. I mean, it's going to affect you one way or another,
Right.
I'm not going to beat around the bush. I mean, what happened, right?
Yeah.
That's in the past, and now it just came to light. Okay, like I told you, I have probable cause for your arrest, and that's why you're in handcuffs right now.
Right.
But you have an opportunity to explain your situation and your side, right? And give us your side of the story, so we can see a bigger picture.
In early childhood, there was other.
Okay, so this is what I'm saying. Would it be easier to sit in a room, in a chair, instead of the back of a patrol car to discuss this?
Not necessarily.
Because what's going to happen is we have a patrol car coming, and they're going to transport you to the station. Okay? I can't transport you, I don't have a cage.
Okay.
Okay? So while we're talking, she's probably going to show up, then we're going to end up having to move you over to her vehicle, then she's going to transport, and we're going to follow. That's what I'm saying. Would it be easier just to sit in a room, talk, instead of having the cuffs behind your back? We can place them in the front,
Okay.
get you something to drink, whatever. Or we can talk right now too. It's up to you. If you want to start from the beginning where you were gonna, let's go. Let's talk.
So my memories only go back into maybe age 5 or 6. But there's a lot of things in my early childhood that I do remember that are not childhood behavior, that can only, as I imagine, be a result of a curiosity created by an earlier instance that I don't remember. There's
So when you say an earlier incidents,
my
Tell me
sexual
more.
curiosity was piqued and interested before I
1
was
1054, welcome clear.
6 years old.
William.
like what was piqued your interest? Are you talking sexual?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know if there was anything that happened when I was younger than 6,
Okay.
younger than 5. I do know that my older brother, not Aaron, he was an influence in my younger years of a lot of odd behaviors, for sure. But
Real quick, sorry to interrupt. Was that in Florida?
yeah,
Okay.
And this is why your dad was still in the military?
Yeah.
And so was just your mom home? Or were they both?
My mom was home, but she also had 11 kids she was trying to
Take care of.
take care of.
Okay.
But even before that, before my dad was in the military, my parents, I don't know how much, I mean, they obviously made a lot of children, so they practiced a lot. My family didn't live in anything more than a one-room bedroom for most of my early years. So I don't know what was seen or experienced when I was in ages when I don't have any memories. But as a byproduct, even in ages 3, 4, 5, and 6, there was odd sexual curiosities at an age where it shouldn't even be recognized. And I believe those curiosities continue to grow through development and hormones and turn into experimentation.
And you think this is at the hands of your parents?
I don't,
Being all cooped up in one room?
I think that might be a part of it.
Okay.
When I was born, my parents and my older, I'm number 7 of 11. My parents and all of my siblings were living first in a tent, and then in a one-room shack, and then after that another one-room shack. And there's obviously more of the children. So if they were continuing to make children when there was little children around, that's gonna leave some kind of impact.
Okay.
I can't say for sure, but I've given it a lot of thought of why I was sexually curious when I was 5 years old, 6 years old, to the point of fantasizing and early experimentation at an age of 5.
So was there other things around the residence that you observed, or was it just the behavior of maybe your parents?
I don't remember
Okay.
any specific memories before that. I don't remember if there was any.
So there wasn't like porn magazines or movies or
No,
videos
there wasn't any
that
of
you had
that around
access
the house.
to?
When I was also in that early age, I did find a magazine out in the field, and that also accelerated my curiosity as a child.
Just out like any open field?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So from there, then what? What happened?
well, hormones happened. Before I was even 6 or 7, there was instances with other siblings that it was curiosities. And in teenage years, hormones happened and curiosity happened.
So when you talk about other siblings, what other siblings are you talking about? And what incidences?
Well, we used to play make-believe games all the time, and so he always had weird things in the make-believe games that was either violent or sexual or just weird. Now that I'm thinking about it, but I didn't know any different at age 5 and 6. Even at an early age, I don't know where the curiosity came from or where the idea came from, but I have an early memory of at age about 5 or 6, being curious with. And I don't know where the idea came from. I don't know why it was there, but that curiosity was there before I was even thinking about it old enough to know where it came from or consider where it came from. So with that, I have to wonder where that knowledge of experimenting at age 5 and 6 comes from.
So what that first experiment, what'd that lead to? Do you remember?
It we were basically both in that very, very early age of kindergarten.
Okay.
I don't remember much. I remember that my parents, or my mom, did come in when I was at that early age, and she yelled, and so that put a pretty big damper on curiosity until hormones kicked in. So I don't know what happened before the curiosities happened, but I know that they happened at a much earlier age than what's biologically normal. I know there wasn't any porn in the house, but I also know that my parents have a lot of children, and we were in very close quarters for many, many years of my early years.
Okay, so our deputy just arrived. So we're going to transfer you over to her vehicle, okay? And she's going to go to the station. Then we'll bring you downstairs into an interview room where you're going to be audio, video recorded as well. So we have everything on record, okay? Are you doing okay? I mean, you're all right now with considering the consequences and the situation we're in? Okay. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll transfer you over. You want him on that side or what side? What side do you want him on? That side? Okay. No. We'll take him to the station, talk to him there. We'll take him downstairs once we get there.
Oh, okay.
So then we'll finish our conversation down there. So, okay. Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Deputy Clerk's here is going to transport you over to the sheriff's office. Okay.
So
my wallet's still
yeah,
in your car.
that's fine.
And did you already pat him?
I patted him down, so he just had his wallet. So Brian's been read his Miranda. He understands his rights.
Okay.
And at this point, so far, until we get to the station, then we'll see if he still wants to talk. And we'll go from there. And we'll see you at the station.
And just so you know, I'm recording on my camera. Okay. All right.
Okay. All right. I have your wallet, and I'll bring that down to the station.
Okay.
Okay. And we'll see you at the station.
So just park in the parking lot.
Yeah, and we'll walk him. We'll walk him in.
Okay.
If you want to walk him in. Yeah, you can walk him downstairs. We'll go to interview room 1. I'm gonna turn this off right now. So.
Just move mine for a second. I was gonna say,